Ibrahim Lodi was the last sultan of the Lodi dynasty and of Delhi. He became the sultan in 1517. Ibrahim's grandfather Bahlul Khan was the founder of the Lodi dynasty and was a powerful and vigorous leader who extended his territories and looked after his subjects and nobles. Similarly, Sikandar Lodi, following in his father's footsteps, put all of his efforts to extend and strengthen his kingdom. Sikandar Lodi was known for his strong government and effective administration. He continued the expansion policy in which he was able to conquer and gain control over Agra and Bihar. Sikandar Lodi had two sons, Ibrahim and Jalal. Ibrahim, being the eldest, succeeded on the throne and tried to uplift the royal authority. Unfortunately, Ibrahim Lodi failed to become a capable ruler and lacked the qualities of a sultan. He was an oppressive ruler, unlike his father and grandfather. His harshness and vicious nature built up resentment among the nobles and alienated them during his reign. He failed to realize the sentiments of his people and did not treat them well. He revived the idea of dual monarchy that was suppressed by his father. His kingdom was partitioned so that Ibrahim ruled Delhi and his brother Jalal Khan was an independent ruler of Jaunpur. The idea of partitioning and ruling the same kingdom independently by the brothers was disliked by the seniors and nobles of the kingdom. They were ill-treated and neglected by Ibrahim. Ibrahim's policies were indiscreet and provoked opposition. Ibrahim was a shrewd person who decided on the partition deal with his brother and later forced his brother to return his region to Ibrahim. Ibrahim decided to rule without interference and decided to suppress his senior nobles and render them powerless. The relationship with his people worsened and he was gradually known for his cruelty and atrocities. Ibrahim realized that his brother Jalal's misconduct and disloyalty would be threatening